So just doing the valve clearances and reinstalling them. So what I'm doing, I've got a piston at the top, and then I'm just putting the feeler gauge in between the push rod and the valve, bottom of the valve, until I can't do it anymore. So putting like a 6th thou, then 7th thou, and there was no clearance whatsoever for the intake valve, so I sanded a bit off the bottom of the valve, got it to about 7th thou. I'm not sure what the correct amount is, but so for example I've got like a 4th thou feeler gauge, and just put that in between. The push rod and there goes in. It's a bit of drag on that, and then this one hasn't got the spring in, so I just hold it for the intake and it goes in very easily. So it doesn't take much sanding because of I guess because it's such a small amount. I'm actually not sure on the correct amount either of clearance. The guy on that I was watching on YouTube, he said 12 thou for the intake, and I think it was 8 maybe for the exhaust, but I could be wrong about that. Could be the other way around. The 6th thou goes in alright. Eighth thou we'll try next. And that doesn't go in. But yeah, that's what I did, and then I just took the valve out and sanded the bottom on like a, just put a piece of sandpaper down. So I just had some sandpaper here, and I just went like that. It didn't take much at all, so do it very slowly, just do a bit and then check it. But yeah, so I'm going to install this valve now, and I got this idea off a video for the valve springs about the compressor that I've seen, and there's the valve, but you just squeeze these down and put zip ties around, 2 zip ties. I think these may be stronger, these red ones, because it seems to hold it down better. You want to get it as compressed as you can, it makes it a lot easier, but this squeeze it. The other side on. So that's fully compressed, that's how you want it. And just going to snip the excess off. and then I'm going to try put them in. So the key is to put this valve in. Rotate this so it goes down the push rod, push it in a bit more, and then gotta put the spring in, and then the valve retainer. And for this valve retainer, you just have to put the valve so it goes, you put it through there and then you push it to the middle, so that holds it in place. And I just hold a screwdriver in there and pull it back with the screwdriver, and then cut the spring, the zip tie off the spring. There's like a groove towards the bottom of the valve where it's supposed to go to. I'll put a little image here to show you, but not the best camera angle. Okay, so the easier way to get that in is just to hold it with a pair of pliers, put it in, and then there we go. That's one zip tie. Might be better focused. Just gotta twist this spring around. There we go. Now just pull the zip tie out. The other side, a bit more. Is that it? I think so. Seems to be working as it should. Yeah, that's pretty much it.